Hello guys, I hope you're well. In today's video we are going to use Pledge Enhancing Polish Spray. Can looks like that and you can buy it in any store, it's very easy accessible. Pledge cost me about £1.50 and I've already used it twice on 4 wheels, 4 tyres, so it does take you a long way as well. Directions how to use the spray, quite straightforward. Obviously you have to hold the can upright and spray about 6 inches towards the surface or on a cloth, and it says for the best results polish immediately with a soft clean cloth, and we will see. I've used it on each tire and I left it to soak it in, and once the white foamy content was absorbed, then I wiped the excess off. Before I will attempt applying a Pledge spray on the tires, I've already washed 4 alloys using a waterless technique. I will share and attach the link of that video which I've already recorded onto this video description, and show everyone how to wash tires and alloys without wasting any water. And also just to mention, that spray which I've used cost me about £1.50, and on a website like Halford's branded sprays, Megarius waterless sprays for wheels and tires, they cost about £17 for a container, so it is quite quite expensive. My technique is a lot cheaper. Like I said, the spray for washing tires and alloys, it was £1.50, and now I'm using the Pledge, it's £1.50 as well on average for a can, so much cheaper, and the results I would say exactly the same. I've used already in the past Megarius, Armor All, Carplan, all these branded companies, which the products are quite expensive, and I can guarantee you the results using a cheaper technique, it's exactly the same, if not like for like. So here I'm showing I've washed the 4 alloys and I am going to apply the Pledge on 4 tires, leave it for 5 minutes to soak it in, and then I'm gonna wipe the excess off. Keep watching and enjoy listening to some nice tunes, some nice music, and just look at the results with a close-up view. I can tell you easily the results are pretty outstanding. I'm really pleased with it all. Pledge enhancing polish spray, it does bring the quite high gloss to shine tires and also last long. Thank you guys for watching, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and stay safe and see you soon. Take care, bye now.